2.
Hello, dear students. Last time we have seen the Coulomb's law in scalar form, and in that law we have seen the electric force. But we know the electric force is always be a vector quantity. As it is vector quantity, this Coulomb's law we have to write in terms of vector notation. So let us try to understand the Coulomb's law in vector form. This is most useful topic in solving some numericals. So as you can see in this diagram, these are the 2-point charges Q1 and Q2. This is origin of 2 or 3 dimension coordinate systems. By joining this Q1 with origin, Q2 with origin, we get position vectors R1 and R2 respectively. So as it is written here, let vector R1 and R2 be the position vector of the 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 with respect to origin. Now, we may consider these charges Q1 and Q2 either positive or both are negative. So, because of which between them there will be a force of repulsion. So, this force of repulsion acting on the charge Q2 by Q1 or it acting on the charge Q1 by Q2. But as we have to write this force in vector form, there are the two different symbols of the forces. The force acting on charge Q1 by Q2 is denoted by F12. As it is acting on Q1 by Q2, the number 1 comes first and number 2 comes later. So it is vector F12. Similarly, another force acting on charge Q2 due to Q1 is denoted by vector F21. Again, as the force acting on charge Q2 by Q1, so number 2 comes first, number 1 comes later. Now, direction of these forces are where? So, actually these forces are always along the line joining the two charges. But here, this kind of the direction of the force is specified by the unit vector taken along the line joining the charges Q1 and Q2. Here you have to take the help of unit vector, which you have studied in 11th standard. I will explain you later on about this unit vector, how it can be chosen. So let us see first. If a vector taken from charge Q1 to Q2 is denoted by the symbol R21. We remember how does it come R21. So here we are taking the position vector of charge Q2 with respect to Q1. That's why this is a position vector R21 and it is directed from Q1 to Q2. As you know, from origin to Q1, from origin to Q2, it is R1, R2. But they are with respect to origin. But this vector R21 is the position vector of Q2 with respect to Q1. That's why it is denoted by the symbol R21. So if a vector taken from charge Q1 to Q2, this one vector, is denoted by vector R21, then according to method of triangle, what is the method of triangle? As you know, if I say this is a one vector OA, this is another vector OB, and this is a third vector BA, then what will you write about the vector BA? So from OB, its head, there is a vector BA. So according to method of triangle, vector OB plus vector BA equal to, you can write resulting vector OA. So this vector BA, if you want to write, so vector BA will be equal to vector OA minus vector OB. Same way here, this is the vector OQ1, this is the vector Q1, Q2. Get that sum. So here you can write vector R1 plus vector R21 is equal to resulting vector R2. So R1 plus R21 equal what? So R21 will be equal to what? You can write it is R2 minus R1. So thus vector R21 is equal to R2 minus R1 and its unit vector, as you know, unit vector of any vector equal to given vector upon its magnitude. So this unit vector of vector R21 is unit vector R21, or you can write U caret, or you can write caret R21 is given by the caret R21 equal to given vector R21 upon modulus of vector R21. But modulus of vector R21 is what? As you know, vector R21 is R2 minus R1, so modulus of vector R21 is modulus of R2 minus R1, and it is nothing but simply R21, or it is nothing but simply R, and it is simply the distance between the two charges. So while solving the numerical, if you simply measure the distance between the charge Q1 and Q2, then it is modulus of vector R21, or it is simply R, or it is R21. So we denote it simply small r. So the force acting on charge Q2 by Q1 is given by the equation according to Coulomb's law. Vector F21 equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R21 square into the direction of vector unit vector R21. So vector F21 equal to this one. Now if you substitute the value of unit vector R21, and this R21 is equal to R2 minus R1 upon its modulus of R2 minus R1, and you simplify, you will get it is K Q1 Q2 upon modulus of R2 minus R1 Q into the small bracket vector R2 minus R1, or it can be written as R21 is replaced by small r. So this is K Q1 Q2 upon R square into unit vector R21. You say this is the equation number 1. Now similarly,